guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Krystle. My channel's name is Krystle21. Welcome. Today's video is going to be all about this eye look that I created using the 24A Artist Pass palette by Morphe. I don't really want to do a review on this palette. If you've got any questions about this palette or whatever that comes to mind, go ahead and comment below and I will get to it ASAP. This is the look that I came up with. This is a palette. I will say this, I'm not very impressed with the glitters, but I mean, if you can make it work, awesome. I am using a glitter here on the inner corner of my lid. I also want to mention that I will be giving away one of these palettes as well. I'm going to post the giveaway information below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. You don't want to miss out on free makeup, like it's free makeup. Now, if you do like these tutorials, please make sure to give it a like, it helps me out. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm using the P. Louise Rumor 2. So I'm going to apply Get the Shot onto my crease and work my way up to my brow bone. Using a smaller tapered blending brush, I'm going to apply Desert Vibes onto my crease as well. Smoke out this look a little bit more, I'm going to apply Seek Shade onto the outer corners of my lid and work my way up to the center. I'm also going to try and blend out as much as I can because it's such a dark shade. I don't want it to be a harsh line. So try to take your time when it comes down to blending that eyeshadow. Using this same brush that I used for Desert Vibes, I'm going back with Desert Vibes and I'm going to apply that on to the centers of my lid. Add some sparkle to our look. I'm going to use the Wild Out glitter on the inner corners of my lid and work my way up to the center. Because I'm going to apply a neon yellow eyeshadow on the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to prime it using my P. Louise base. Now that I've applied my lashes, I'm going to start on my lower lash line. Using a regular eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply Get the Shot onto my lower lash line. Using a smaller tapered brush, I'm going to apply Desert Vibes onto my lower lash line as well. And finally, I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and apply Seek Shade onto my lower lash line closer to my waterline, like so. This is the final look, guys. And that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.